I'll move on to a related example which is in the field of insurance. So you will see on your screen an outlay of a process, the traditional claims management process. So the traditional insurance claims management process is always focused on a lot of fraud detection, ensuring that the claim gets routed to the right person, and then minimal time is spent on the claims analysis process and things like that. So you see here is typical claims management process where the loss notice is received, claims created, and the loss is assessed, and the payment is made along with the necessary investigation. So these are all various associated analytical things that one has to do when a traditional claims management process is enforced. But one of the interesting things that we are seeing today from a big data perspective is that today we are in a position to flag suspicious cases much earlier than what it was, based on the kind of social media data that's available, based on the 360-degree review of the customer and things like this. Today we are able to predict the duration of the handling process, how we can fast track it, and things like this. And more interestingly, what we are also seeing is that based on the way claims process is managed, through big data, companies are also realizing that you can actually identify a lot of cross-sell and upsell opportunities. So this is something which is totally new as far as big data and insurance is concerned. That what was once seen as a simple, operational process is actually now available for a lot more business potential, a lot more opportunities and ideas for business potential. So there's a lot of opportunities for early recovery, a lot of opportunities for cross-sell for satisfied customers. So how is this possible through big data? So I'll just give a brief picture of what it is, though I cannot get into the details. I can give a brief overview of how big data makes all this possible. So what you are seeing on your slide on your screen right now is a slide which talks about big data approach to claims analytics for fraud identification and customer profiling. So the traditional customer profiling for insurance companies have been based on few risk factors, based on let's say age and marital status and certain demographic characteristics and things like this, and you build a risk profile. But today, with the kind of unstructured data that's available, the kind of third-party data that's available, and you can get more feedback through surveys and campaigns and ratings and things like this. So one can build much richer customer profile. So once you build that kind of a profile, so therefore you can go back to your business rules and see whether those business rules are adequate in the light of the new customer data that you have. So people today are realizing from the social media data of customers that the risk management profile can be substantially enhanced. And when that is done, then you apply your traditional data warehouse processes, MapReduce and big data technologies, and then do your data visualization in a different way. So the whole idea is that, so earlier what was seen as claims analytics was seen as something which is helping fraud identification. Today big data is ensuring that claims analytics is actually not only doing fraud identification, but also ensuring that marketing opportunities are uncovered, that cross-sell opportunities are uncovered. That so we are looking at customers who are making certain claims and go back to them and see how this whole claims management process can be enhanced and the new opportunity can be kind of uncovered. So the traditional fraud detection models are actually combined with non-traditional data sources, as this picture shows, and the whole idea is to ensure that customer interactions are optimized. So again, what we are relying on, as in the case of the bank, is sentiment analytics, social media analytics, and your predictive analytics.